Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if a seller is being rude, spammy or suspicious, you can block them directly on Facebook Marketplace without any problem. So blocking stops all communication and prevents future interaction. In this guide I will show you step by step how to block a seller on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, what blocking a seller means. So blocking allows you to stop messages instantly, prevents profile access, avoid future listings from that seller, maintain a safe experience. So blocking applies to the Facebook account. So first thing first, open the Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon here in the button. You can also block directly from Messenger. Okay, so now go to Messenger, open the chat with the seller. Okay, so you can go to the Messenger from this place, or you can, for example, go to the Messenger, normal Messenger that you have on your home, and then look for the seller that you are talking to. So let's see. So for example, this one. Okay. So as I did, open the chat with the seller. Blocking is done through their profile. Okay, so tap the seller's name. Okay, then go to the profile itself. So as you can see, here is the person. Okay, so now you have to get into his profile. Okay, and then tap the three dots here and then tap block and then confirm that you want to block this person. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.